are satellites essential for real-time hurricane tracking? Imagine trying to watch a storm across the vast ocean without leaving your home. That's where satellites come in, acting like eyes in the sky that never blink. They give us a constant stream of information about hurricanes, even over the most remote areas. This is vital because ground-based weather stations are only useful on land, but most hurricanes form and grow over open waters. Satellites can see these storms from space, providing detailed images and data every few minutes or even seconds. This quick update helps meteorologists track how a storm is moving, how strong it is, and if it's changing shape. Satellites have special sensors that measure things like sea surface temperatures, humidity levels, wind speeds, and rainfall. These measurements are key to understanding how hurricanes develop and intensify. For example, warm ocean water fuels storms, so satellites can spot areas where the water is especially hot. They also monitor the storms and eye wall, which are signs of a storm's strength. Geostationary satellites stay fixed over one spot on Earth, giving continuous images of the same area. They can detect changes in a storm's structure almost instantly, which is essential for early warnings. Polar orbiting satellites move around the Earth from pole to pole, providing detailed vertical profiles of temperature and moisture inside storms. They can see through clouds with microwave sensors, giving a three-dimensional view of the storm's interior. This helps improve forecast models, making predictions more accurate. Recently, smaller satellites in constellations orbit more frequently, giving even faster updates. This means storm data is more current, helping officials make better decisions. Another important tool is synthetic aperture radar satellites. They can see through clouds and darkness, providing clear images even during heavy storms or at night. This is especially useful for emergency teams trying to assess damage and plan rescue efforts. All this satellite data helps meteorologists narrow down where a hurricane will hit and when. This precision allows early warning systems to send alerts, order evacuations, and prepare communities. It also helps first responders identify the most affected areas quickly, speeding up rescue and relief efforts. In short, satellites are the backbone of real-time hurricane tracking. They give us the high-resolution, continuous data needed to understand storms as they happen. This information is the foundation for early warnings and disaster risk reduction, saving lives and reducing damage. Without satellites, tracking hurricanes would be much slower and less accurate, making it harder to protect people and property from these powerful storms.